Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I'm standing in front of a 66 136 car. It's got a big block in it, it's got beautiful interior, and you can already see it has got some beautiful paint on it. And if you want to check out about 100 pictures of it, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so you can see how nice the bottom side is. We're going to pop the hood, look at the big block. We're going to look inside the trunk. We're going to show you everything you want to see so you can make a great decision on your Chevelle investment. So come on up and we'll fire the big block up now. Check this beauty out, man. One of the things I love about this car is the color that's on it. That red paint is popping. And I tell you what, the body man was a good body man too. All the panels are straight as an arrow. They're lined up great. All the chrome looks good. All the trim looks good. The chrome on that front bumper looks great. And that body line is straight as an arrow, nearly perfectly flush with the top of that front fender. She is beautiful, guys. And check out the mag wheels on this baby. Don't they make this car look great? The wheel lip moldings look good. The rocker molding looks good. Chrome on the door handle's beautiful. Look at that line. Look at this door jamb here. She's beautiful. Look at the attention to detail here. We got new bumpers. We got new rubber. The door panel itself's in beautiful shape. All the chrome in here on the door panel looks good. The paintwork here looks good. Steering wheel, I love those two-spoke wheels. Man, is that thing sharp. And take a looky there. Hurst 4-speed shifter in there, guys. The chrome on the dash looks good. We got seat belts in the front and in the rear. The upholstery on the seats is in beautiful shape. And look at that dash pad. Man, looks brand spanking new. All the chrome in there looks great. All the dash is beautiful. Look down that quarter panel. Look how nice and straight that baby is. And that paint is just as smooth as can be. The emblem looks brand new. The chrome on the back bumper looks good. All the trim here around the tail lights and the center panel look good. Look inside the trunk here. Look at that. Looks like a brand new car, guys. Got a wide oval spare tire. My old car from high school had a wide oval tire in the back. Always thought that was so cool. Even back then, that was a million years ago. The jack's in there. All the coating in here looks beautiful. The attention to detail, look at that door latch. It looks brand spanking new. Anybody spend that much time making sure the latch on the trunk looks good? The lips here, nice and clean. Super clean car here, guys. Look down the side of it. Look at the body work. Can you imagine the hours the painter spent getting all these panels to be this straight? It's an amazing build. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. We spend the time and we check the cars out before we buy them. Now I'm involved in buying every one of the cars here at Vanguard. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's take a 66 for a ride. Man, it's got a great sounding exhaust system on it. It's got a big block under the hood, beautiful red paint job, 4-speed shifter, air conditioning. I love the steering wheel on this thing, just so sweet. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're shipping experts. We can ship this Chevelle anywhere in the world. So you just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to ship this car anywhere you live in the world. If you need some help with financing, we got you covered there too. Just give Tom a call. We got 2 different bankers we work with. Takes about a 15-minute phone call. You can even do it online. You can go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. You can fill out the app online. We can get this dream parked right in your driveway. Now we're here on Saturdays, so if you'd like to drive out, you'd like to fly out, anytime, come on out, guys, and we'll show you this car or one of our other cars in inventory. Right now, we've got about 240 cars in stock, and we bring in about 40 new cars every month. So you never know what we'll have. So make sure you watch us on Facebook. Make sure you join us on YouTube. Make sure you keep an eye on our website. We've always got new and cool stuff coming in. I love the exhaust on this car. It sounds fantastic, guys. Now we're gonna get this car up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna take a look under the hood. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your muscle car investment. Listen, we'll just listen to that exhaust. And I'm just touching the accelerator. This big block wants to get up and go, guys. The 4-speed feels good. The brakes feel great. The speedo's working down here. We got a 3-pack of gauges down here. It does have an aftermarket radio in it, so if you want to listen to some tunes, you've got tunes to listen to. I like to listen to the tunes that are coming out of those exhaust pipes. Listen to that, man. That sounds great. Takes me back to my childhood, back driving my 67 Cougar. Now here's our shop right here. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Now stick with us. We're gonna put it up in the air now. All right, we're underneath the Chevelle now. As you can see, nice and clean under here. It's got a brand new gas tank. It's got a brand new exhaust. Always check the drop downs here for the trunk floor where it connects to the lower quarter. This looks nice. The inner wheelhouses look nice. We do have new body bushings here. The floorboard in the trunk looks good. We got right around a 345 gear in here. It is a Posi. You can see the rear end housing's been all cleaned up. It looks nice. We got brand new brake lines here. It's got new lower control arms. These are aftermarket. There is a sway bar here. It's got newer shocks on it also. I always check the low areas in the frame also. This frame is solid as a rock. Always look at the back side of the rockers, and if you can't look at them, at least get your hand up behind there and feel around. That's beautiful right there. Floorboards are in gorgeous shape. They've been coated with what looks like a bed liner material. Real nice. We do have parking brake cable here. We do have a new brake line going front to back, and it looks like we do have a new fuel line going front to back. We got a Muncie transmission here. It does have the manual clutch on it, just like what it came from the factory bell housing. Now the cover, we'll make sure the guys will locate a cover here for the flywheel and get that put on. It does have some headers on it. We do have disc brakes up front. Those rotors look like they're brand new. On the back, we do have drum brakes, and the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. We've got a big sway bar up front. Bottom side of the motor's nice and clean and nicely painted. Looks like the backing plates here are new. Even looks like the spindles are new there. Looks like got a brand new brake job on it. We've got the front frame horns are nice and straight. The core support looks good. Bottom side of the radiator's nice and clean. As a matter of fact, it looks like a rebuilt unit. And I do see an AC condenser there. Bottom side of the front bumper chrome looks great. Really sharp car underneath. Let's look at these wheels and tires. All right, up front here, man, we got some great looking wheels. And let's see, the tires are, let's see if I can find the size. We got two 25/40 18s up front. Rocker moldings look good. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, we've got two 75 35/20s, and those wheels are beautiful. The rocker moldings back here look good. The wheel lip moldings look good. You always want to check this lip here. All I feel is nice smooth metal there where that inner wheelhouse is connected to the quarter panel. Now let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got a 396, guys. Looks like brand new valve covers, brand new air cleaner. There's a 770 4-barrel dual feed Holley carb sitting on top of that intake. It does look like it's got electric choke, and it is vacuum secondaries. It's got a Holley intake manifold on it too. It's probably aluminum and it's just painted orange. It's got an HEI distributor. It's got a new style AC pump, keeping it nice and cool inside for you. Like I said, the top side of this radiator definitely looks like it's a rebuilt unit. The condenser here looks brand new. We got a fakey top on the battery here. We've got the negative cable disconnected. That's one of the things we recommend when you're storing the car. Disconnect the battery cables. It's just a whole lot safer. We do have power steering, and that is the remote reservoir for the power steering pump. Even got the little fill bottle here that would have come from the factory. That's very cool. We do have power brakes. Firewall's nice and clean. All the wiring's nice and clean. Just an amazing car, guys. This thing's got a lot of eyeball. She's a Chevelle. It's got a big block in it, and you're gonna love it. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drawing.